The Ministry of Public Health reported on Thursday that in the last 24 hours, 12 new cases were recorded. All 12 are from the sub-region of Moruca, Region 1. Dr. Stephen Shifun, Regional Health Officer of Barima Waini, told this newscast that the new cases were all detected through contact tracing, conducted by healthcare professionals within the region. He pointed out that all of the region's 21 active cases were recorded in the Moruca sub-district. A total of 84 tests have been conducted in the sub-district, and there are no patients presently in institutional quarantine. The regional health officer divulged that additional isolation facilities and checkpoints are being established throughout the region's COVID-19 hotspot.
Because we only have 16 beds in this facility, today we were forced to get another building that we're going to open more capacity for these other set of patients. And what we did when I was in Moruca, we had a temporary confinement for 72 hours. And during this period, we would have sprayed the entire Santa Rosa. This was in collaboration with the Guyana Police Force and the Santa Rosa Village Council. We also identified integral points where persons entering and leaving Moruca has to pass. One of these points was at the Moruca mouth.
Young adults and seniors make up all of the active cases that have been detected so far. Dr. Shifun informed that while it is not feasible for the region to conduct daily testing, sample collection sites have been set up.
We set up a sample collection site at the airstrip in Moruca. This sample collection site is designed in such a way that the person taking off the sample are the least risk possible to getting infected. So we have dates when we take off samples, so everyone will come and we take off samples on those specific dates. Because of how the region is spread, because of how people live far off from one another, it's difficult for us to do one test, and then you understand.
Meanwhile, during Thursday's COVID-19 update, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Shamdir Prasad disclosed that the number of confirmed cases in Guyana is now at 183.
We have conducted 2,048 tests so far, with 1,865 being negative. 102 persons have recovered to date. In the institutional isolation, we now have 69 active cases and 24 cases in institutional quarantine. The number of COVID-19 deaths remains at 12.
The 12 new cases were detected from a total of 42 tests, which were conducted in the last 24 hours.
52% are male and 48% female. The age groups with the most cases are the 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to 49. In essence, we're talking about the adults. Of the group, the 20 to 29 have the highest number. Region 4 has 56% of the cases, followed by Region 7 with 16% and Region 1 with 13%. The three regions represent 85% of all the COVID-19 cases. The other 5 regions have 15% of the cases.
In providing a breakdown of the case distribution, the Chief Medical Officer pointed out that while Region 4 still has the most cases, the incidents in the other regions are increasing. Regions 5 and 8 are the only 2 regions that have not registered any COVID-19 cases. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.